Hi, everyone out there in the world of YouTube. Thanks for tuning in, stopping by, and checking out this channel, which is devoted to Black CPAs, students, and candidates who are pursuing the Certified Public Accounting designation. My name is Jacqueline Anderson, and in this edition of the JCLPAA in-depth series, I want to talk about the importance of setting yourself apart and being a subject matter expert in a specific area of accounting and determining which area to specialize. So, of course, most people are familiar with taxes and individual tax returns, but you also have the corporate side, business returns, partnership returns, and that goes year round. Or you could work in auditing, be an internal auditor within a company, or work in an accounting firm and be an external auditor. And of course, most people are familiar with working in an accounting department and working yourself up the corporate ladder and becoming a CFO, a chief fiscal officer, a chief financial officer. In addition to being a CPA, you could also be a consultant and help people start or organize a business in the area that I hope to specialize and gain more knowledge and expertise is wealth transfer, succession planning, and estate planning. So that's an area or a lane that is wide open as well. But why is that important? You should position yourself early on because as those opportunities arise, you will be maybe at the top of the list. If someone is referring or in a position to refer people, they'll think of you. And as you work throughout your accounting career, if you can position yourself to say, this is the area that I want to be a go-to expert, you can start taking your continuing education classes in that particular subject or on those particular topics so you can gain more knowledge and experience as those opportunities arise. And that is so you can reap the rewards of all of your hard work and have a fulfilling career and reap the rewards financially. So things I wish I had known early on in my accounting career, I may have taken a different path. Had I known in the importance of positioning myself and gaining a good foundation or knowledge base in a particular area. Maybe it's forensic accounting where you want to work in fraud or financial crimes, but you have to connect early on and build those professional networks as you are going through your accounting career. So when those doors, opportunities arise and doors open, you're in that position to be selected or make a case for why you are the best person for that position. Aside from just being a CPA, you have the knowledge and experience for a specific area. So I want to share that. So give you something else to think about, especially if you're just getting started. Know your plate is already full, but if there's a way you can network and build professional connections now early on, it would be to your advantage to do it, especially in this world of social media. And that is totally different, contrary to your typical accountant who's usually introvert. We have to step from behind the scenes and from behind the curtain and start to connect with people and feel comfortable with the spotlight. Because most people, whether you're in business for yourself or work with an organization, those who are making the decisions usually do business with those whom they know, like, and trust. And so, how do you build trust and get to know people and like people? You got to talk to them. So, we have to work on our soft skills, interpersonal skills, and make sure we're connecting early and building those relationships so they can translate into opportunities for us. So, that's been my tidbit in this edition of the JCLPAA in depth series, and I will see you next time. So, remember who you are and whose you are. There's no time like the present.